What's up, guys? Just sitting here testing my new Sony camera out. So here's kind of a good walk around of the Slash 1/16 scale as it sits right now. It's got a brushless motor on it. We did the Castle Creations short course system with the sidewinder 4 and the 3800 1410 motor. It's geared as high as I can gear it right now. It's got a 50 tooth spur gear and like a 32 tooth pinion. I have a 45 tooth spur here, and then I have a big old bag of large pinions as well. That way we can really gear this thing to try to take advantage of all the torque that motor makes. So I have 2-cell, 3-cell, and 2-2-cells, so we can do 4. Well, can't do 4-cell in this combination, but in a later setup, if we wanted to do 4-cell, we can do that, or another 3-cell and do 6, but that'd be kind of crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna get some videos of this running 2-cell and 3-cell as it sits, and then we're gonna re-gear it and do the same thing. But I can tell you right now, just kind of playing with it in the street, this thing's already undrivable on 3-cell. On 2-cell, you can kind of beat it up. It's fine. It doesn't seem like it's like gonna shoot everywhere and like definitely gonna destroy itself right off the rip. But 3-cell gets pretty crazy. It's almost impossible to get it to drive straight into a speed run. If you roll into it really slowly, it can. I think punching it just cracks the tires loose too easily. This thing has an immense amount of torque. This motor and ESC combination is really made for a 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive or overpowering a 1/10 scale 2-wheel drive. So you can only imagine what it's like in this tiny little truck. So that's it. I hope to get some running video for you guys up here pretty soon. It's been real cold lately, so I'm trying to avoid going outside. Pretty nice. I really like the Castle stuff. Had a lot of them for years, and I really like the green, man. It looks pretty nice. Doesn't really matter what brushless combo you go with this truck. If you plan on upgrading it, you could just run the Traxxas VXL, which is already, in my opinion, extremely fast for these, and it's a little lighter. This is just kind of dumb. It's making the truck real top heavy for no reason. But if you're looking into doing it, and this is the setup you run around, it works really well. So I'm going to show you guys some good running footage. Hopefully next time I can get it outside.